Alright, now in terms of closing up the bounce house, I'm doing this just based on the opposite of the way that we rolled it out. So the person who did it previously, what you do is where the nozzle is in the back, so you see that, this is what I'm talking about right there. Alright, what we would do is, looking on it straight, imagine breaking it into fourths. So like 1, 2, 3, 4. First thing you're gonna do is fold it from the first to the second, let it air out, and then you're gonna take those two ones and you're gonna flip it over one more time. So then it'll be onto the third one, let the air come out. Then take this last one and flip it onto what you have there. Now once that's the case and you air that out, I would then take it from this direction and roll it in small little piles towards where the nozzle is in the back. It looks like, based on the video, and we'll confirm it once we do that, we haven't closed it up yet, that there's actually a rope on the bottom. I was looking around saying, where's that strap that has the attachment? Well, I believe that currently it is actually under it. So we'll find out when we do that.